what is it, 9437?
9437.
We made it into our room, and look what we have here. No, it's not Chloe's birthday this time. We already went on a birthday cruise for Chloe. It's Jen's birthday. Happy birthday!
Thank you.
This is our room. I forgot to turn the TV off. How professional! Here we go. So, you know, I might sleep up here myself, and then you two have the bedroom, or have the bed. I'm okay with that. What do you think, Chloe? What do you think? Whoa! Ooh, what do you got there?
He delivered strawberries. Do you want to say hi?
Hi.
Yeah, he wants to say hi.
Hi.
Hi, everybody.
Thank you for our strawberries.
Thank you for the strawberries.
You're welcome. Enjoy your cruise.
Thank you. We have a tired baby, so just FYI, heads up. We have a tired baby. Right? Are you tired? Exhausted? Same. Alright, so we're going to do this little tour real quick of 9437. We have our stash, our lockbox, our refrigerator. I haven't filled it yet, but it's gonna happen. I'm gonna fill it up as soon as we get done with this. I already started putting our luggage in here, but look at all this space. Yeah, so what we normally do is we try to kind of sneak in here real quick. We sneak in here real quick and put our luggage in here. It makes it a lot easier to you know, instead of having to carry it to Lido Deck to get our food and then muster station, we try to come up in here real quick, drop our luggage, our carry-ons and everything. It makes it a lot easier. But yeah, this is probably gonna be Jennifer's closet because she has the most luggage. We have three. I was worried there for a second. They only had two, but when I looked down, there's three life vests. It depends on how many people are in your room, but you know, they'll either have three or two or four or whatever, how many people you have in your room. I think this room is only up to 4, so this is our shower bathroom. As you can see, this is going to be completely different from what it's going to be later on. It's going to be a mess. There's going to be a ton of stuff in here. Cleaning stuff, health and beauty aids, because you know we need that. We need that in our lives. But yeah, this is it. We already did our muster station. We already ate, and we're gonna go to the Lido Deck for the sailaway party. It's gonna be awesome. We'll have some. We'll probably do a live between now and then. Not sure when, but we'll do a live pretty soon. We're just gonna take a little break because we've been running around like non-stop. So yeah, Chloe is right here. She's on the bunk bed. Is this your bunk bed?
Yeah, and my bunk.
This is your bunk bed?
Hey, Mama and Daddy.
Mama and Daddy's bed right here. Yep.
And my bed.
This is your bed.
Mama's bed.
Mama's bed?
Yeah, you.
That's me.
Alrighty. Well,
The strawberries we have?
you know what? I did take a little gander. Let's take a little look-see. We got some chocolate-covered strawberries. I don't see them lasting long here. We also have our punch. What is it? Our rum punch.
The fun chip.
And we have Sprite for Chloe. She can't drink yet.
Yep.
You know, when she's older. And we also have a It's My Day for Jennifer because it's her birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. There's also cookies here. Some cookies. and I'll probably dip into those. They are delicious. Your ladder?
Yeah.
Your ladder's right here. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. I don't know if you can climb down it. Hold on. I will be right back. Oh, so this trip, they literally opened up every case of soda. Every case. Pulled it all out and then retaped it. Just FYI. So make sure you have a pretty good case of, oh shoot.
We bring it
I
back.
almost fell over.
We bring it back.
There you go. Make sure you have a very good case of soda because they tore it up and then they retaped it. If you're, you know, sometimes when you go to the store, sometimes you'll see a case and it's kind of raggedy looking. I would definitely get a really good case of soda when you come up here if you bring a soda on your trip, because it was rough. They were rough with the cases. We filled our refrigerator. This is our overstock. Yeah, our remaining. I couldn't think of the word. Yeah, we got it all filled up, ready to go. Jen's got her 3 Red Bulls. I got my Cokes. And then we got 2 bottles of wine. And we're gonna have another one. Another bottle of wine for our steak dinner that we're gonna have. Oop, they're gonna say something. Hold on. I forgot to mention these awesome decorations that Carnival was nice enough to decorate the room for us. Happy birthday. We could probably stick this on the door, right? Because it's a magnet. And people will say happy birthday.
Yeah.
Happy 29th birthday, Jennifer. Not really. I think she's like 35 or 38 or something like that. I don't know.
Wish I was 29.
No, this is a great room. Like, this is enough. I know we just came from a balcony. And it's like once you go balcony, you know, you never go back to stateroom. But you know, all in all, this is a great room, an affordable room. And it was a hold on. Chloe is attempting
The stairs.
the stairs. And
She's
she actually did.
practicing.
The first time she almost fell.
Yay!
You know, it was, I caught her. You know,
Yeah, we were right here.
good thing for my quick, you know, reaction time. But yeah, we got our case of water too. We got our case of water and my drink. But yeah, on to the sail away party?
Yeah, so
Sail away party.
here's your card.
Oh, you have a pillowcase too. Well, I never get this on my birthday. You know, I never get birthday cruises lighting. Elevator lighting. No, but I have one coming up. I'm just being funny. But yeah, on to the sail away party. I just want to show you Chloe's down for the count. She's out. We're not gonna have her sleeping up here. She just slept up here because she wanted to come up here and check it out.
She was so overtired.
She was so overtired she fell asleep. I will probably take this bunk and she'll sleep down here because I don't want her to fall. It's really cool though. You know, when they're older, and I would say around 4 or 5, maybe 5.
Yeah.
This thing would be great to have. Oops, someone's at the door.
Where's your bed?
It's time to put the sodas and the Red Bulls into the cooler.
And the wine.
And the wine.
Don't forget. You're blocking me.
We can't
Don't forget the wine.
We can't forget the
Don't
wine.
forget the wine.
Always normally go to this. I don't care for energy drinks. I don't drink them anymore for health reasons. Why'd you turn the light off? Chloe just went ahead and turned the light off. Oh, dude, I look ominous. Look at this. Ooh.
Turn the light on.
Can you be a doll and turn the light back on? Are you ready for bed? Are you ready for bed?
Exactly.
All right, well. Spooky.
Why don't you just film that a little bit? Come here, Chloe. We'll get her settled for a second.
Ooh. You're crazy. Where's the light?
It's alright. Here, you're gonna get in bed. Daddy, just let her get settled, and then you can film that part.
Look at Chloe. Chloe, can you help me? Can you help me put the stuff in the refrigerator?
Help Daddy.
Can you help me? We gotta get the wine too.